Hi there, students. To hone, H-O-N-E, it means to sharpen. So you hone a knife. I spent half an hour honing my kitchen knives so that they cut very well. So to hone means to sharpen with a hone. A hone is a whetstone, is a stone to use to sharpen a knife. But a hone is quite unusual. So to hone a knife. But then we use this metaphorically to talk about to hone your skills. So you're probably here watching this video with the intention of honing your English. You already speak English, and I'm sure your English is already quite good, but you're here to hone it, to improve it, to sharpen it, to refine it, to make it more intense, to make it more acute, to make it more effective. Okay, so to improve your skill, to hone. So to hone, to make an object sharp. To the stick had been honed to a point. It had been sharpened to a point. But to hone, to make something better, to make it completely suitable for its purpose. So an Olympic athlete will have a physique that is honed to perfection. He honed his speaking skills by giving speeches on Speaker's Corner. So to make something more effective, the director in a film will help to hone the actor's performance. The manager of a football team will help people to hone their football skills. So you hone your skills. He honed his skill dealing with clients when he worked on a helpline for a company. So to hone, to make something better, to make it more suitable for purpose. He honed his English by spending 6 months living and working in London. Okay, so to hone, to make it better, to refine, to perfect over a period of time. So you could hone your basketball skills by playing in a league. Yeah, to hone, to give something, make something stronger. Now, you might hear people say hone in on, as in to concentrate on, to focus on. But this is actually wrong. It should be home in on. But you will hear people say hone in on, to focus on, to concentrate on. But that should be with a home, not hone. Okay, so to hone, to sharpen with a whetstone, to make something more intense, more effective. Okay, the writing essays will help to hone your English skills. If you want to do an official exam, you should hone your writing skills by practicing and practicing and practicing. You could hone your English by watching a whole series of my videos. So you hone a skill, a technique, an idea, a product. You develop it carefully over a period of time. Companies spend money training their employees. They spend money honing their skills. Yeah, so to improving, to polish, to enhance. And then you hone a weapon, a blade, a knife. You sharpen it on a special stone. Okay, so to hone is literally to sharpen your skills, to make your skills better and more intense. So formality, to hone. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. And as to origin, okay, there's a Middle English word hon, a whetstone. Proto-Germanic, haino, which is a whetstone as well, from kehe in Proto-Indo-European, to sharpen. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hone.